All right, so guys, please excuse my voice. Like I said, I've been under the weather, a little sick. Don't know what this is, but it's been it's been causing havoc on my sinuses and my voice and my throat and my ear, everything. But anywho, I want to walk you through what the post win framework and where to find it inside of the Coach Simplify Academy. When you sign up for the Coach Simplify Academy, you're going to land on this page and it's going to have four different modules. What to post when framework will be located in the 1 day profit lab, like in the lab. So I might change the name to just labs so that you know any type of training will be inside of the labs. So when you go in here, you want to hit resume and you're going to see it's the first training, right? And typically it might be over here to the left, you're going to see what to post to win. So any new training is probably going to be the first thing that pops up. So for right now, what to post when is the first training inside of the Coach Simplify Academy module called Labs. Okay. So the what to post when is my framework that I have been following for years to keep me consistent online as well as to bring in and generate income without me always having to show up. And as you guys can hear my voice, it's been painful in the past couple of weeks. I haven't had the energy, but my business still continues. Okay. So in this framework, it is broken into four different categories. Okay. And so you'll see category one is on week one. We'll get into that in just a second. It's about visibility and relatability. This is where you want to just show up so people can not forget you, right? When things are slow and you just want to get the views, you want to make a presence in the social media feeds, you want to be seen. This is the type of content you want to create. When you want to build authority through education, when you want to teach something, you want to show people that you know what you know, this is the category for that. And then proof, belief, and desire. These last two categories are where the money happens. Belief, proof, and desire is when people said, okay, I like her. I like what he is doing. I understand I can, I want to go with this coach, but I need proof that it works, that this person is actually getting the results that they say that they're getting. And this is the category for that, the proof, belief, and desire. And then the last category is conversion and invitation. This is where you make the offer. This is where you say click to get the link. This is where you make the call to action, comment CEO, whatever that might be. So people actually go to your page to make the sale, right? And so this is a framework that I follow that works. I've been doing it for years, okay? So you will see that it includes 7 daily hooks, meaning hooks is what gets people's attention. This is what stops the scroll. And I give you examples. I give you the captions because I know what stops me is what do I write once I upload my reel, what do I write in the captions area? I include that as well. And then if some of us are stuck with creating the type of videos, I also included faceless video templates that you can use as well when you don't want to show your face or you don't have B-roll in your camera at all. Right? So I break down how to use the hooks. This is where you'll read that. You can use them as text on screen, talking head videos. So if you don't want to do like a faceless video or a video like B-roll with music in the background and you actually want to talk to the screen like I do sometimes, then you can use the hooks for that as well. But again, you'll see it when I take you through it. I also give you the Canva templates so that you don't have to worry about recording B-roll. But if you have B-roll in your camera, like, if you don't know what B-roll is you filming yourself doing activities or just filming your day. Like if you are on a plane somewhere and you want to film, how when you're landing and you're filming it outside the window, you can do that. That's considered B-roll. But anywho, if you don't know what that is, don't worry. I give you that. And I give you some other options, right? You can run this framework for 30 days because I give you week by week what you need to do in each day. You can spread it out across 2 weeks if you tend to post 3 to 4 times weekly, like not every day. You just want to do like 3 times, like a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Then you can spread this out across 2 weeks. Or what I like is that you can repeat this cycle every single month. So the first week of June, you can do the visibility and relatability content, right? The second week of June, authority and education. The third week, proof, belief, and desire. And the week 4 can be conversion and invitation. You can do it that way. Or if you post 4 times a week, you can pull one piece of content from the visibility and relatability. You can pull one piece of content for authority and education, et cetera, et cetera. Okay. All right. So that's an overview. So you can read through that. Now let's get down to the nitty gritty. So you click on week 1 or category 1, and you will see I give you the science of the psychology behind the week. People buy from those they recognize and relate to. This is what the purpose of this type of content is, to build awareness, let people know that you exist. So I break it down by days. Again, you don't have to do this by days. You can if you want to. But you see day 1, day 2, and etc. It goes all the way through day 7. Okay. And you're going to get the Canva template, which is a reel. So all you need to do is click here and it would take you to Canva, right? It's a template with the reel already inside and the hook on the screen. And you can change it. I'm going to show you that in just a second. So this is the hook. No one talks about this part, blank, and you fill in that blank. But it is why most people stay stuck. Okay, that's the hook that's actually on this particular faceless reel. And this is what I give you an example, excuse me. I give you an example what that fill in the blank could be. And then I give you the caption. The caption is a fill in the blank as well. Now, if you struggle with filling in the blank, you can just copy this and paste it into a chat GPT, a Claude, or Gemini and ask it to fill in the blanks for you. Okay, I cannot make this any simpler, right? So let's click on the Canva template and click here. And it's going to show up. You're going to see, that it's a template. You're going to hit view template. And it's going to say open up editor. And you're going to be able to see the file. You can see it's a copy. So it's your template, right? This is yours. You can go in here to change everything you want to change. So let me make this a little bigger, right? Let's close this out. And you can change this text. You can put whatever, you can fill in the blank here because that's what you want. You can see that the video is about 5 or 10 seconds. Well, it's about, I think it's a total of 7 seconds, right? And then once you have edited this, if you want to change this, you can to any other video that maybe you might have. You can upload it. If you don't, you can use it as is. You can go here to share and you'll go ahead and download it. And it will download as an MP4. That's what you want. Okay. Once it is downloaded, then you can upload it to any social media platform. That can be Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, etc. Okay. Do not, I repeat, do not add music from Canva. Add music from the platform that you are uploading it to. Okay. Because you will need to add music because it won't have any sound at all. Right. So let's go back to what to post when framework. So that will be week 1. Week 2 or category 2, which is authority through education. Again, I give you the psychology behind it, why this week is important or this category works for you. I give you the template, I give you the hook, I give you the example of the hook, and I give you the fill in the blank caption. Okay. And I go through this for all 7 days of that week. And then week 3 is going to be proof, belief, and desire. Again, everything is included in here. And then week 4, the conversion and invitation. This is where the money happens. This is where you get people to click the link, go forward. Then you've got these days as well. Again, you can do this week by week. You can pull one day from each category if you want to, or you can follow it again week by week. So if you ever get confused, not sure where to start, again, read through the start here, how this system works. And if you still have any additional questions, then you can leave a comment below the video, just like Shelly did. Shelly says, I love this. It's simple and effortless, right? Love that. So you can do that as well. I will respond back to you, get back with you, or you can hop on one of the live coaching sessions if you have questions. But that is the what to post when framework that I use every single day to still show up, be present, and still generate income without showing my face every single day, especially when days when I don't feel like it. All right. I hope that helps.